First thing you're going to do is open the website, and then you're going to Google what you want to paint. So I typed in KitKat. Now here's an important thing. You need to go to Images, Usage Rights, and click All. The Chromebooks are defaulted to Creative Commons licenses, which means non-copyright images. So you're not going to get accurate images. Then you're going to select an image that you like. I've done it here. Then you want to click on the location of that image. If you just click on it from here, it's not going to be large enough. So I found a picture of a Kit Kat from Walmart. Now I'm going to double click and hit Save As. I'm going to title it Kit Kat instead of that long, garbled nonsense, and then I'm going to save it to my desktop. Replace. I'm going to head on over to Pixlr, and now I have to open the image. So now you have to find the image from your location. I left mine on the desktop. For you in the Chromebook, it will be in the downloads. Create new version. Okay, so now we're here. We have our image, and we're going to go to Effect over here, which is the half circle. We're going to hit Colors, and then we can scroll through, and there's some great color options here. I mean, they are a bit limited, but there's still some additional ones from Google. You can even play with the slider in there. Retouch, size, spot, object, sharpen, blur. Nope, we don't want to do anything in there. And that's how you did. Then you hit Save. High quality, save it as, and then we can call Kit Kat in blue, save it, and then we could upload that to your Google Drive.